In this video, I'll show you how to integrate ClickUp with Google Drive and Slack. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. Once you're in Slack, scroll down to the bottom left and select More, find Apps, look for Google Drive and select Connect. You will then choose the account you would like to sign in with, continue, select what ClickUp can access. Once you have completed, select Continue and Done. Now Google Drive is connected to ClickUp. So we now are going to connect Slack. So go to All Apps, look for Slack and select it. You are then going to click Connect and choose the account that you would like to connect to Slack and follow the same process. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.